Welcome to Colorado. We've spent the last 3 weeks in Grand Junction closing out my training for the UTMB Desert Rats 21K. A couple days ago, we drove into Fruita, where the race will take place, to pick up my bib and explore the race expo. I may have even picked out a couple more races to run. But today is race day. We're driving back into Fruita, where I'll run my first half marathon race in years. The Elite Wave heads out first. A couple minutes later, the rest of us trickle out through a narrow starting gate. There I go!
All right, Julie's out on course. I'm back at the van base camp, I guess. There's no place that I can go to see her as a spectator on this course. So I'm just checking in on her. She's been out there for 48 and a half minutes. She's already through the second checkpoint. That was at mile 3.2. She's approaching 500 feet of elevation gain already. Well, the tracker doesn't seem to be updating correctly, but I've been tracking her on Find My Friends, and it looks like she's through More Fun now. She's in the back half of the race comfortably. Got a big climb coming up here, and then a big descent. Not sure why the tracker's not working, but it's not a huge surprise. This happens pretty frequently with these races. And I'm going to head to the start-finish line. Just watch some folks come through, enjoy the excitement over there, and hopefully catch Julie coming across the finish line.
No pictures. Climb complete. I did it.
All the way from Bend, Oregon, Julie Cruiseway.
Let's go, Julie!
What a fun day, and the views were spectacular.
That's tough. That's really tough.
After the race, we headed back to the Feisty Pint in Grand Junction for a proper post-race meal. I loved this race, and I highly recommend it.